In this video, we're going to be learning how to link our Common Application accounts with our Naviance accounts. The first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to navigate to commonapp.org, and if you don't have an account yet, you can create one. And once you have that account, you can put your credentials in here, and then you can go ahead and sign in. And if it's the first time you're signing in, you're going to see a welcome screen here at the front. You're going to need to navigate to the My Colleges tab here at the top, and obviously since you haven't added any colleges there yet, you're going to need to add some. So in the College Search tab, you can search for anything really that you want. So if we were looking for the College of New Jersey, just start typing the College of New, and there it says. There it is. We're going to add that. Let's add a couple more here just so that we can have some variety. Stockton University will stay in New Jersey, and we'll also add Rider. Once you arrive here on the My Colleges tab, it doesn't matter which of these colleges you select to expand, but once you do expand it, there's a link for recommenders in FERPA, and that is what you're going to have to go ahead and click. We're going to complete the authorization form here, and you're going to read this information carefully. You'll check off that you have read it, and then you'll continue. You're also going to acknowledge that you have read this statement here, and when you do that, it will expand the box. From here, you have some choices. You can either waive or not waive your right to review your recommendation and information. Waiving your right to view this information means that you will never be able to see any of your recommendations. Not waiving your right to see those recommendations, however, does not mean that you get to view them immediately. You would not be able to view any recommendations or information until you have applied, have been accepted, and are matriculating at a college or university. That means practically that you would have to be a freshman in college, and you would have to go to the admissions department and request a copy of your recommendation and documentation, and then they would provide it to you. It is the recommendation of the Montgomery High School Guidance Department that you waive your right to view your recommendations and documents. The reason for that is because some teachers or other outside recommenders may refuse to write a letter of recommendation for you unless you waive your right to see those documents. You also need to check that you understand that your waiver selection cannot be changed once you make this selection. You're going to sign your name here in the box and make sure that it matches what is written in your Naviance account, and you can also select the date. You'll then click Save and Close. Now that you've completed the FERPA release authorization on the Common Application side, you also need to complete some information on the Naviance side, and here's how you get there. You can start by navigating to the Montgomery High School main page and then clicking on Departments and Counseling and Guidance. If you scroll down the page, you'll see Naviance about halfway down here on the left, and you can use your login information here to get yourself to the home page. Once you are here, you can click on Colleges I'm applying to. It's going to tell you that you're not currently able to apply to Common App schools, and why is that? Because you haven't matched your accounts. So you're going to come over here and click Match Accounts, and once you match, you cannot unmatch. So make sure that you are using the correct email address that you use to log into the Common App, and make sure that your date of birth also matches that which is in the Common Application. From there, you just click Match Accounts, and then you see some green check boxes, and you are all set. You have successfully matched your Naviance account with your Common Application account.